found him. He's too high, I can't reach him. Chester, my boots can redirect most energy sources. Does that include currents equal to the kinetic output created when I run?
Should, and the force of those two equal energies would probably cancel each other out. It'd be like running into a brick wall.
I'm counting on it.
Hold up. Are you about to do what I think you're about to do?
Yeah, time to ride the lightning. Chester, I've lost Caitlin. Where'd they go?
I don't know. 1 second you almost had them, and then they completely disappeared.
We have to find them.